Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in on Raya if you're finding login error. If you're having trouble logging, don't worry, this is the common and usually fixed to easy. First, make sure you are entering the same phone number you used when you applied or were approved. Raya only use phone number login, not email or password. Double check the country code and number. Try again. If you don't receive the verification code, make sure your phone has signal or Wi-Fi. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds, then tap resend code. Also check if your phone number is blocking unknown number. You can fully close the Raya app, swipe away from your iPhone, find Raya and swipe it away. Reopen the app and try login again. You can also turn off your phone for 30 seconds, then turn back it on. This fix many small system issues. You can also check for the updates. For that, go to the App Store, search for Raya, and make sure the app is up to date. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.